Hey everyone, Greg from My Mortgage. Happy Easter to you all, and I hope you had a great, relaxing, long weekend. Wanted to update you on all things lending at the moment. So we had an official cash rate announcement from the Reserve Bank just last week before Easter, and they increased that by 0.5%, which was a little unexpected. Most people thought it would go up by maybe 0.25%. They went for a quite conservative approach with it in terms of increasing it up because of the inflation numbers, which are still a little bit high for their liking. And the interesting thing is we haven't actually seen a change in interest rates yet. So we were expecting the fixed interest rates to jump a little bit, but we haven't seen that, and actually we've been seeing some quite good rates from the banks still. So the rates we're looking at somewhere between 6.3 and 6.5, depending on the length of time you're fixing for, depending on your bank, and depending on your situation. So if you are coming up to a new fixed rate period, feel free to give us a call. We can look at where you're at the moment, look where the rates might head to, and make the best plan for you. And that best plan might be, cool, we're just going to lock in again for a certain period of time, depending on your situation. But it could also be, hey, there might be some better options at other banks for you as well that we can look at, which might help your cash flow or might get you to a better rate or whatever. So feel free to give us a call and we can chat through that. Also, there's been a few little changes to bank policy. So the first one, if you do are looking to buy and you're needing to have flatmates or boarders that are living with you, we can now increase the amount that you're able to add to your income based on those boarders or flatmates living with you. So historically, it's been about $150 a week. We can now increase that with some banks up to $250 a week. So it could be a really good way to just get your lending that little bit higher if you are looking at buying. And also, if you're looking at building, there's been a little bit of a change there as well with the increase in build pricing over the last kind of 18 months. The banks had put in a 15% overruns into all build projects. So they wanted to make sure you could afford 15% more than what you were building for, so that you, if needed, in a worst case scenario, we could access those funds. They've dropped that back to 10%, which is great. So it gives you a little bit more flexibility there. So if there's anything we can help with, anything to do with lending, feel free to get in touch. mymortgage.co.nz. We'd be happy to help out.